making a kids-friendly baked apple. So what you're gonna need is a bowl, and first we're gonna start with 1/4 cup of Quaker oats, or any kind of oats that you guys have. We're gonna then add in 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and if you have it, 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. You're gonna mix that all together nicely in the bowl. And then you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. With the butter, you wanna make sure that you incorporate it into the oats to make a nice crumble for the top of your apples. I'm gonna push that to the side, and we're gonna cut and core 4 apples. If you don't have a corer, I like to use a tablespoon, and you can literally just pull out the center to make sure that there's a nice well for your apples to go into. So I have my 4 apples that are cored and cut. I'm gonna take a baking dish, aluminum tray, whatever you have that'll hold the apples to make sure they don't ooze all over the oven. You're gonna take your filling that we've made, mix it back up a little bit, and you're gonna plop that right inside your apples. Fill them as much or as little as you like. Make these nice and filled. Once they're full, we're gonna bake them in the oven at 350 for 40 minutes. After baking for 40 minutes, let's see how they look. Warm, ooey, gooey, they look delicious. Now, we're gonna put on some whipped cream, or ice cream, or whatever you wanna do. Now wait about 10 minutes, let them cool, and enjoy.